Hey everybody, so how's it going? So today I got a bunch of items in the mail. We're going to be doing a small tool haul, and I got a couple shout outs to do for a couple channels, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Alright everybody, so I should cut this off. Just got back from the hospital, so oh, my arm hurts. Alright, so I picked up some items. I used a couple Amazon affiliate links. One is from Bearded Seabee 82. I'll leave a link up here for Bearded Seabee 82, aka Brandon. I used two of his Amazon links on one of his videos to pick up some items. I'll also leave a link for that Capri video about the Windstorm Blowgun that he did review. I'll leave that up here in a card as well, and I'll put his information down below. So I also picked up some other items while I was looking. So here's the first item, which is the blowgun he was doing the review on, which is the Windstorm EX, I think, if I remember correctly. Out the box. The box on the side. I also did order the accessory kit for this Windstorm Blowgun. It didn't arrive today. Everything else, the only thing that didn't arrive today. So, but I will do a secondary part 2 video for that. So we got that. There. I picked up the older Windstorm, the original Windstorm, which is this guy right here, which is the Windstorm Adjustable Air Blowgun, part number 21089 for the older model. The Capri High Performance Air Blowgun, Windstorm, I think EX is what it's called, is part number CP 21350. I will also put Amazon affiliate links down below if you guys want to go check out these tools or you want to pick them up. Amazon affiliate links will help me out. Doesn't cost you anything extra. So pull this one out the box. Hook this one up. This one as well has the flow control. It is like Bearded CB2 stated, it is a 1/4 inch turn flow. It can continually turn, but it doesn't actually function on continuous turn. So it's a nice blowgun. I picked up the accessory kit for this guy right here. The accessory kit is actually part number 2-1094. It's a 5-piece air blowgun kit. It is designed for the air blowgun right here. This is the kit it comes with. I picked that up. I also picked up another accessory pack for this blowgun. It is Control Your Airflow Air Blowgun Rubber Nozzle Set, 3-piece set. It is part number 21089-3RN. That's this guy right here. I'll move this over. Here's the 2 blowguns. I also picked up this 4-piece O-ring removal tool set. I have something similar to this in this set from AutoZone called Titanium. It's exact similar. This is just made by Mayhem Select, which is the Mayhem Dominator set. But this is the Mayhem Select set. It's still made by the same company. This is part number 60028. I picked these up to match the rest of the Mayhem Select and Dominator stuff I have. It's that one. Secondary shout out, channel shout out I'm going to be doing is I have one of these. I bought it off the Matco truck. Yota Doug Tool Collecting Channel did a video the other day specifically about this. He got it off Amazon. It's made by Lisle. It is a power and ground outlet. So if you wanted to use your, as an example, a test light, or you wanted to use your power probe or something, and this was easier access to a power outlet, then you could use this. This is part number 32150. I will put a card up here for Yota Doug's Tool Collecting Channel. I also try to find the video that he spoke about this, and I will leave a link up here for a card for that video, as well as put his information in the description below. I already had one of these, but I paid upwards, I think it was $40 something on the truck for it. I got this off Amazon when I saw Doug post the information for it. I wanted to get another one, and it was only like $13, $14 on Amazon, so it was a killer steal. I appreciate that, Doug. And I have one more item, but it's a pretty large box. It's a pretty big box. It's actually very light. It seems there's not much in it, but they had to put it in a box 10 times bigger than it was for some reason. And that is this guy right here. This is another Capri tool. This tool is part number 21089-L is in Libra, 750, R is in Richard. It's a 29.5 inch bent long nozzle designed for the Air Blowgun. This is designed specifically for this blowgun. It's a 29.5 inch extension. Just pull it out of its wrap. I wanted to help out Bearded CB82 because, he's a great guy. And I figured, why not buy a bunch of Capri tools on a video he was giving a review on a Capri tool for. I really liked his review on this Windstorm gun, so I figured I'd pick it up. Part 2, I will show the accessory kit for the Windstorm gun that hasn't showed up yet. It's supposed to be here like between the 18th and the 20th. But I'll go over them again. Capri for the 29.5 inch bent long nozzle rubber tip designed for the Air Blowgun. It is part number 21089-Libra 750 Richard. That's that one. For the Windstorm EX, it is part number CP21350 or Charlie Paul 21350. The Capri original Windstorm is part number 21089. This one goes up to 150 psi 1/4 inch fitting for the original Windstorm. And the Windstorm is no lower than 30 psi. It is OSHA compliant. This one doesn't say if it's any higher than 150, but okay. The Capri Tool Air Blowgun nozzle set for the original Windstorm is part number 2-1094. The Capri 3-piece Air Blowgun rubber nozzle set for the original Windstorm is part number 21089-3 Richard Northern, or RN. And most of these are pretty close. 21089 for the blowgun, 21089-3RN for the accessory pack for this blowgun. And then 2-1094. So the only one that's different is the 5-piece accessory kit for the blowgun. And then part number for the 4-piece O-ring removal tool is 60028. And again, the Lisle power and ground outlet is from Lisle is 32150. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. I will make sure I do reviews on these items once they get used and abused. And please go check out my Amazon affiliate links for Bearded CB82. I will put his channel information down below in the description, as well as Yota Doug, as well as putting cards up here in the corner for them. And I will also link my Amazon affiliate links to these items in the description below if you guys want to go check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.